Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kini di mabana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjinjar ya lagi. Papinyin kerpang kini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedla. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Oh, tama. Bilay si Bon.
Ka jingialang jong ka kynhun myntri sarkar ka barsong menta ka si ka apsan tarik penai jemang kalaman juri ka jingpen kalai ka MegaWatt Secretariat Service Rule 1992 ha ka by day but ka appointing authority na ka benta superintendent under secretary but deputy secretary ya ka ba onla banle da ka chief secretary.
Basically, we had a number of agendas in the cabinet today. So we have amended the MegaWatt Secretariat Service Rules 1992 with regards to the definition of the appointing authority. It's a very small amendment. So basically, we are proposing that earlier the governor of Meghalaya, in respect to the post of under secretary and deputy secretary and joint secretary, used to be appointed by under the governor's, by the governor. Since these posts are slightly not that senior post, so we have changed the appointing authority to the chief secretary. And this is being done basically in the interest of things moving faster. And therefore, these being not that senior posts, the appointing authority will be the chief secretary now.
Ka sarkar jela ka jelang jong ka kynhun myntri sarkar ka balong menta ka si kala menjuri ka jingkerpa jong rep ko bat simru ya ka rai ban map ya ka pisa ka basilak nak si MegaWatt jong ka sanpho MegaWatt wa umyam stage 1 bat sispa MegaWatt wa umyam stage 2 hydroelectric project ha ka wa umyo.
We have also decided that under the 50 megawatt wa umyam stage 1 and 100 megawatt wa umyam stage 2 hydroelectric power project in the Umyu river basin of East Khasi Hills. The Power Ministry and the NIPCO had requested that their initial amount, the fees amount that they have to give, the upfront payment be waived off, and they had also requested that the free power that comes up to 12% from the state government, which has to be given to the state governments, should also be waived off. And they had also asked for other number of projects, other waivers in other issues also. So we had a request even from the ministry, and that we will be that the waiver, that the upfront premium be waived off. And based on that, since it's a public sector undertaking, NIPCO is a public sector undertaking, we have agreed that the upfront payment will be waived, which amounts to approximately 1 lakh per megawatt. But we will not be able to waive the 12% of the free power that they should give to the state. So the 12% of free power will continue. So that was one important decision, because of which things were lying pending.
Ka kynhun menteri kala ai jimenjur na benta ka jingpetre kam ya ka jingsiu tlop thma jong ka All India Council for Technical Education AICTE na ka benta kinong tre ka Shillong Polytechnic bat kiwei de halor ka jingpen kerja saka Directorate of Higher and Technical Education.
We have also decided that there will be implementation of the revised AICTE scale, which is the All India Council of Technical Education scale for faculty of Shillong Polytechnic and others on the transfer to the Directorate of Higher and Technical Education. This basically means that the AICTE pay scale is applicable to those who make certain qualifications, and there are about 32 in these different institutes who are qualified as per the description, and hence they are mandated to get the AICTE scale. So this is slightly higher than the state scale, So they will be, government and the cabinet today has taken decision that these 32 individuals who are faculty, who are qualified in terms of the AICTE guidelines will now get the AICTE scale of pay.
Kastorkar kala manjur penkelai ke profesor ke bahap apa ke sub rule 3 of rule 7 ke Meghalaya agriculture engineering mechanical service rule na ke absent sakalai percent.
That earlier there was 25% reservation in terms of the internal promotions, and the promotions would take place, not reservation, but the promotions would take place in terms of the internal people who are already working there. And now we're just increasing that from 25 to 30%. This is being done in lieu of the fact that most of the other states also, because most of the other departments also in the service rules, the promotions, internal promotions, the amount that is saved is about 30%. So this instead of direct recruitment, the vacancies will be filled up by the promotions that are there. So earlier it was 25%, now it will be 30%, like is being done in most of the other departments.